Can one illusion purify another illusion?
No, it's not even connected.
Not
Both
even.
coming from
Yes.
from
And they come randomly at their own timings. Two waves that are not even simultaneously present, how can they affect one another? They cannot. It is an assumption that any meditation can change anything. It is an assumption that this kind of pranayam can change this thing. It is an assumption this action can change that thing. No. No. All random arisings. Can I recognize the truth and simply be with the truth and drop these assumptions? There's only an arising. I don't like to work. And it goes away. Knowledge of some wave pretending to be somebody who does not like to work. Just a preference wave. Simply knowledge. Knowledge of a preference. So, what is? No jumping in, no assuming this is my preference, no getting into the story, then that whole chaos created, then you're gone. You're lost as the waker in the waking world. There is no joy in working. There is no joy in not working. There is no joy in meditating. There is no joy in not meditating. There is joy only at one level, and that's called Ananda, which comes at Nirvana from all this illusion. You have to rise beyond both the opposites. So, what I can say, my dear, is that you are stuck in opposites. Yeah, you're thinking that this side of the pendulum is better than that side of the pendulum. I am saying no, both are pointless. But some attachment is there to one side. And that's what you're grabbing onto, and that's where Tadatma is happening. There is nothing. Nothing means there is no world, there is no body, and there is no mind. If there is no mind, who are you going to purify? What are you going to purify? Purification of the mind you started with. Your question was purification of the mind. But there is no mind. It's not nobodiness only, it is no thingness. World is a thing, body is a thing, mind is a thing. I have imagined thingness, and I am getting attached to that imagined thing. And that is validating somebodiness. I got attached to it. No? I am making that thing important. That means I exist. Are you seeing these slips? These are very subtle slips. They're happening at such a subtle level. I told you, you have Advaitan level obstacles now. Ajatvada level obstacles. There's a higher level obstacles where you think that you are recognizing everything as nothing and I am nobody. No, intellectually you're doing it. You're not really seeing it. Because again, you're getting attached to a thing. Purification of mind. There is no mind. So what are you going to purify? Yes, this is very important. Very important. So let us work on this no-thingness and no-bodiness a little more in depth. Just a little more in depth.